Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope so that you all are fine. Today I am with you with a new topic, that is conversation. You know that topic of conversations are also present in your syllabus. So, first of all, I will tell you that what conversation is. As you speak with each other in Urdu and you talk or you discuss any ideas about anything, that is called conversation. And in Urdu, we call it baatcheet or guftagoo. Students, there are some very important points which I would like to discuss with you according to the viewpoint of examination, so that you have to follow that all the instructions and you can get very good marks in your conversation. First of all, I will let you know that what's the topic of your conversation is today. Today your topic of conversation is importance of cleanliness in Islam. All of you know that cleanliness has great importance in Islam, and it makes us physically and spiritually healthy and good. So students, first of all, I will share with you the points you have to focus while you are going to conversate with your friends or fellows. The first one is fluency. Fluency is very much important, that without any hesitation or without stopping, you just continue your topic or you just continue to talk with your friends and discuss the topic without any break. The second one is pronunciation. Students, pronunciation has great importance, because when you are going to talk with any person, you just have to pronounce the exact and right words so that it sounds good while your examiner is listening to you. Third one part is sentence structure. Whatever you are talking with your friends or whatever you are discussing, your sentences should be well equipped and well structured. So you have to focus grammatically on the sentence structure, that you whatever you are speaking correct sentences. Number fourth point is time limit. When you are going to conversate with any person, you just have a time limit which is provided to you, and you just have to focus on that if you are given 5 minutes or 7 minutes, you just have to follow all the instructions and you have to focus on the time limit and you have to complete your topic according to the given time. Fifth one is body language. Students, it's the most important point, that your body language should just according to the topic and just according to the conversation. You just feel relaxed as you are talking with your friends in Urdu or in any other language. You just have to focus on your body language like this, and you have to feel ease, like you are talking with any person in just a frequent mode and just in a good way. The sixth one is frequency of ideas. So students, frequency of ideas are also very much important, that whatever the topic you are discussing, you just discuss it fluently and with your ideas flows like water. Number 7 is relevant material. You just don't distract your attention to any other topic. Whatever the topic you are given, you just have to follow that, and your material should be relevant to that topic. So these all are the important points you have to focus, and your marks will be given according to all that points. So students, now we come to the topic of conversation, that is importance of cleanliness in Islam. All you know that cleanliness has great importance. All you know that cleanliness has great importance in Islam, and in our life you can observe that if a person is very neat and clean, everybody likes that person. You just look in your class, students, that which student is very neat and clean and comes in school with a nice and neat and clean uniform. Every teacher and every student like to talk to that person, and they like that students very much. So students, when you are going to start the conversation, you just have to say Assalamu alaikum, and your partners will say Walaikum Assalam. Then you have to greet them that how are you. He will say that I'm fine, thank you, and what's about you? I'm also fine. You don't have to say that today our topic is importance of cleanliness in Islam. You just go with conversation to that topic. What are you doing? I have met after a long time. Where have you been? Your friend will let you know that I'm suffering from fever from few days. I don't know why these all things happen with me. The second person will ask that, don't you think that what is the reason that you on and off becomes sick? He will say that, I don't know that why germs affect on me very much. Then you can discuss that, you know that we should focus on cleanliness. Cleanliness has great importance in Islam, and our iman completes with cleanliness, and we can become safe and sound with different diseases also. And cleanliness makes us good spiritually and physically. The second person say that I'm not very much good in cleanliness, and sometimes I play on dirty places. I think so that's the reason that germs affect on me. Yes, you should make yourself clean, and wherever you play you have to make your surroundings neat and clean. I'm very much thankful to you that you have told me the importance of cleanliness, and now I will make sure that I make myself and make my surroundings neat and clean. That's really very good that you have listened me carefully and you will act upon my advice. Okay, I have to do my homework now. I'm going to home. So we will meet in the school now. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. So in this way you just have to start your conversation, and you just follow the topic, and you just cover up all the instructions. This is a very brief introduction which I have given to you. You students, make your own questions, make your own answers on this topic, the importance of cleanliness. You can add some verses or some sayings of our Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam about cleanliness, and in this way you just prepare your topic so that you can easily cover up this paper of conversation. So I think so all the points are quite clear to you, and you will follow these all instructions which I have provided to you, and according to that all important points you will prepare your topic about importance of cleanliness in Islam. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.